Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm showing you one of the most powerful features on your Panasonic AC. First, what is Jetstream? It's a high-velocity function designed to throw a massive blast of cool air up to 45 feet, reaching every single corner of a large room instantly. To enable it, just hit the Jetstream button on your remote. You'll hear that beep, and the unit immediately shifts into high gear. Watch the Aero Wings blades closely. As Jetstream activates, the dual flaps align and lock into a precise horizontal position. This narrow opening acts like a nozzle, compressing the air so it shoots across the ceiling for a perfect shower cooling effect. It's the fastest way to beat the heat. Thanks so much for watching. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more quick AC tips. See you in the next one.